Welcome to Epic Truths. Did you know the Persians invented the fridge? Let's dive in. They used deep underground chambers called yakhchals for storage. These chambers were built with thick, insulated walls for cooling. Persians harvested ice from mountains during winter for later use. They cleverly stored ice to keep food fresh even in summer heat. Yakhchals were a marvel of ancient engineering and design. These ancient fridges maintained cool temperatures remarkably well. The design of yakhchals influenced modern refrigeration techniques. Persian ingenuity in food preservation is truly fascinating. Next time you open your fridge, remember its ancient roots.